Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how versatile this beautiful bandouliere strap that I have right here from Speedy Bandouliere 20. So I was at the store and literally I was thinking, like, I just could not wait to go home and then try this chain right here and all of my black purses. And I think this chain is gorgeous. I think this chain is beautiful. That's because it has a perfect amount of the chain right there in a combination of a leather. So literally, if you have a black purse, whether if it is grain or smooth leather, as long as it is black, I think this would work perfectly with a gold hardware. Totally love the combination of these. So anyway, this is what I was initially thinking, that I have my mini pochette right here with me. This is in bicolor and it has this gold hardware, which is exactly the same hardware as the Speedy Bandouliere 20. So let me just attach this one right here. Okay, so let me attach this so that you guys have an idea of how this would look on. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think this one is perfect. You can wear this on your shoulder or as a crossbody right there. I think it is perfect. Wow, because the hardware is actually in the same color. And if you don't want to show this chain right here, you can literally put this on the side right here like that, right there. But I really do think that, wow, it looks so pretty with the strap. Oh my gosh, it just looks so pretty, guys. With the chain, the chain is actually perfect. It matches perfectly with the mini pochette hardware. And on top of that, the smooth leather right here, I think it is stunning. I think it is stunning. And also, yeah, like I mentioned, this one is it is versatile. That's because I have other black purses right here that, like, I just took the smaller ones. And I think this would also look great in some of my Nolita bag. This is from Coach, and I wear this from time to time. And I think it would also look great on my Nolita as well. So you guys can see right there, if you would just carry this handle and let it hang the strap, I think it would also look great. But if you don't want this one is not removable, guys, from Coach. You could put it on the side right like that, and pretty much, let me see of how I could hide this, because this one is not very, it's entirely different. So let me see if I could attach this in the corner, maybe like that. And then, yeah, it looks odd. So literally, you have no other choice but put it back. But regardless, if you want to use this as a crossbody bag, I think this one is cute with the chain. I'm just actually showing you how to use the chain in some of your bags. And I do think this one is perfect. So let me just put this on the other bag that I have right here. This is from the larger Nolita. I believe this one is size 18. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember their sizes anymore, but I know this is the large Nolita ones, and also this is the smaller Nolita. I can compare this to the mini pochette right here. So if you wanted a pochette that is actually similar to the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, you might as well as consider the Nolita. It's almost the same. This one is around $800 and this one is less than $50 right there. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. You save a lot of money though. And also right here, let me show you the large one. I could compare this to a Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire, the size for this. But this is the comparison right there. And let me show you how this one would look with the large one. Once again, the strap for this is not removable for the Nolita. Okay, so let me show you right there. I could maybe you could put it right here in front. Let me show you. Let me just arrange this one correctly. So maybe you can actually make it work this way in the front, just like that. It's a little stiff though, but it's not really. If I'm gonna put it on the side, would it work right here? No, it looks strange, but it would definitely gonna look great if you can get rid of this actually. If you can get rid of the top handle strap, I think it would look great. But right now it is on the way. But if you would just carry it like this, I think it's perfect. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm actually seeing the Nolita. I haven't used the Nolita in such a long time, and actually they are beautiful. Definitely love the grain in it. Definitely love it. Like that. And then use it. Yeah, you have no other choice. But I'm just showing you how to use the strap for the Speedy B. Totally love it. And also I have the Chanel right here with me. Let me show you the Chanel. I think this would look perfect as well. I think this would look great with the Chanel ones. Yeah. Oh, it's actually leaning because it's not placed against your body. I think this would look great as well. So yeah, there you go, guys. Definitely, I'm already thinking right now that yeah, I could make use of the strap in a lot of my purses, and that makes your, you know, your purchases, the purse worth it. It's definitely, but of course, you know, I totally like that, and I definitely love the strap for this. Definitely love the combination. Like I keep mentioning that this one has the perfect amount of the chain right there and a combination of the leather as well. And on top of that, I love gold hardware, and it just looks perfect against the black. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.